What is going on, everyone? Today we're going to be checking out a different type of EDC item. I guess this is more of an occasional EDC item. This is the Nitecore CW23 Cinewind. It's a little duster slash vacuum that is perfect for your EDC bags, perfect for taking with you on travel if you need to clean up a mess, or it's perfect for home if you don't feel like pulling out the vacuum cleaner or the leaf blower or anything to do with a little simple small task. So let's get this thing unboxed and we will check it out. Okay, so this is everything that comes in the box. So I'll go over everything real quick and I'll show you how it gets hooked up, and I'll tell you about the vacuum and the blower. It's a little bit of both. Here is the dust bin, and it's got a filter in it, so it's gonna suck in the dust and dirt through there. Just like, everybody here knows how a vacuum works. And then if you want to change the filter or clean it out, you just twist that off. You can pull that out, dust it out, clean it out, squirt it out, let it dry, and you are gonna be good to go. And then here's the rest of the vacuum attachments. It comes with a long skinny wand to get in between the car seats or any like deep cracks where you can't reach. And then it comes with a smaller wand with a detachable little bristle brush on it, and you can fit this on either end depending on what you want to do with it. And then it also comes with a little lanyard because you don't want to drop it. It's you don't want to break your electronics. And then it comes with two little blower attachments with brushes on them. This one is more of a coarse brush, and then this one's much more softer. Depending on what you're trying to clean, you don't want to scratch a glass lens or anything like that. And these are the two little blower attachments. This one is got a bigger hole on it. It's gonna probably not blow out as tough out of this one. This one is like a little rubberized one. This is the one I use the most because you feel like you get more power out of it, and this thing really does a good job cleaning up messes. And then you have the flat piece if you just want a nice flat airflow, and it's good to go. And then you have a USB-C charger, and then it comes with this little carrying pouch. Now, me, I just, depending on what I'm doing, at home, I'll just leave it in the pouch, everything. But when I go away and I throw it in my EDC bag, and this thing is great for your EDC bag. It will just fit right in there. If I'm going away, I'll just throw it in my bag. I'll throw a couple of the attachments, and you don't have to worry about it. It takes up almost no space. It'll fit in even your small bags. It just sits right in there nice and good. But anyways, this is the star of the show. This is what it looks like. This is the official Nitecore CW23. It's, let's see how small this thing is. And this thing is super powerful. And, under the hood here, this thing is packing an ultra fast, I think it's like 118,000 RPM brushless motor, capable of kicking out some serious wind speeds when you pull the triggers. And, it's very easy to operate. And if you want to turn it on, you just hold the button in. And then you got all four green lights. That means it's fully charged. Now, it's in quarters. It'll be 25, 50, 75, 100%. And then if you hit the button again, this is your power levels. And you can pick your power level 1 through 4, 4 being the highest. But, let's be real. Nobody is going to be using the small one. The lowest setting unless you have something really delicate. Me, I just want to go turbo mode and clean, blow it up, and vacuum whatever I wanted to use. And, that's how you do it. And then when you want to set it off, you just pull the trigger and you're good to go. And the cool thing about this is it's very simple to use. One side is your reverse air inlet, and the other side is just going to be blowing air out. So it's designed to work with the vacuum attachments and the blower attachments. You don't have to change any settings. You just pick which side you're going to be using from. So if you want to use the vacuum side, you're going to use the section right here. And then you just kind of pop this on. Oh. It snaps right together, and then you can put your vacuum attachments on as you please. So the only thing that can get a little confusing to me is sometimes the fan button is in the front side, and then when you're turning around using the blower, one of them is going to be on the back side. So at some point you're going to use your finger for the trigger, at some point you're going to use your thumb, just depending on if you're using the vacuum or the blower. Alright, so I'm going to pop this off, and this just comes right apart, and you are good to go. And if you want to use the blower attachments, they have these 4 little cutouts, so you just kind of line them up as they go, and you just turn it and you pop them right on, and you're good to go with the blower attachments. And they all attach just like that. They just kind of, sorry, I'm using the wrong hand. You just kind of pop these on, and you can have it go horizontally or vertically depending on what you're trying to clean up. And I think it's a cool little feature. So that is pretty much about it for the Nitecore CW23. And, where this tool also really shines for me is, quick car maintenance. Having that reverse inlet with the vacuum attachment makes it perfect for, light detailing in cracks, or the car door handle, blowing dust out of the vents. Whatever you need to do, suck up loose pet hair if you need to do that. And, the kids make a mess. Kids spill Doritos. Kids spill everything. Anyone who has kids knows that they make a mess. So this thing is not just handy in the house. It's also handy in the vehicle or your work truck, whatever you want to keep clean. And this thing comes in, I think, around $80 on Amazon. So that's really not a bad deal. And you're not continuously buying the canned air things. You can just recharge this, and you're good to go with it. So I will make sure I leave links down in the description boxes so you can check it out. And thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.